Okay, here we go. Wait a little breeze. Well, yeah, I gotta.
You know what I mean?
I gotta get air under the wings.
That safe is gonna save you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, video on.
Video on.
Look at that! Oh my God! That was horrible. Look at that thing fly! Holy crap! Jesus!
Ball's butt.
That was a non-offense.
Hey, that's awesome, man. I've been very impressed with this thing.
Wow,
Look at that
it's
thing
hard
go.
to see, though.
Oh, it's tough to see.
Yeah. Look at that thing fly. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is impressive, Kevin.
Thank you.
You get an A+ on this one.
That's crazy.
Dude, that is crazy.
For 50.
I know, it flies nice. You turn down the gate on that.
Back in the old days, you had to throw it and jump on the elevator.
gotta have a lot of elevator in.
And you had to have somebody who
Yeah.
got it launched.
Pulling power back.
Sure enough, guess where?
Awesome.
Jeez, dude, that is such a nice flyer. Yeah. You bring that down to the ground, it's like your big yellow.
I lost it. Where'd it go? There it is. Try a slow flyby, but not too slow. I'm an AS3X, not safe.
Oh, you're not?
Looking at the
Safe
sun.
is for launch only.
Okay.
I can't stand safe. Just needed a little up trim so far. All right, gonna land. Everybody clear the grass.
You're clear.
Remember, you gotta stand over here. Don't grab
All right.
the stand.
Coming in, I'm gonna aim for the grass. Everybody watch out.
You're clear.
Drop your hook.
Jeez, dude.
Woo!
Wow.
Yeah, hey.